If you run a faceless YouTube channel or you are planning to start one, this video is for you. What if I told you that you don't need to guess niches or waste months testing ideas? There is an AI tool that shows you exactly what's working on YouTube right now before you even get started. In this video, I will show you how creators are finding winning faceless YouTube channels and viral ideas in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Now, one of the biggest problems with starting a faceless YouTube channel is finding what niche to pick. Now, most people guess, copy random videos, or hope something works. This AI tool removes the guesswork by showing you the real data from real channels that are already getting views. Now, the name of this tool is Videx.ai. It's an AI platform built to help creators find, analyze, and copy successful faceless YouTube channels without showing their face. So in order to use Videx.ai, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser and search Videx.ai, and then you enter like this, and then it's going to bring you to their platform. So if you have not signed up yet, you just need to click on Get Started. Get started free. If you have signed up, you can just, from the top right here, you can see login, and once you log in, you can see the platform like this. As you can see, there are already a lot of things going on the screen here. So but the first thing you need to pay attention to is the left part of the screen. This is where you start analyzing. So I'm going to close this down so we can understand. So you can see here, you can analyze channels, you can analyze videos, and you can also analyze collections. But in this video, I'm going to basically be focusing on channels and videos. So now if you open the channel section, now the first thing here you can see is search channels. So this search section here is basically for searching channels and also checking their growth. So from here we can search any channel. As you can see, there is an option for checking the channel via the channel name. You can use description, you can use keywords. So let me just test this out. So let me just search my channel. So let me say 101 designs, right? And when I click on search, you can see this is my channel right here, and then from here you can see creation dates. This you can search channel based on their creation dates. It's currently on unlimited, so I can search channel for yesterday. I don't think there will be an option because my channel was not created yesterday. So this is like unlimited, so you can do unlimited, yesterday, 7 days, 28 days, 6 months. You can see all of those, and then it also shows AI videos. This shows if the channel maybe creates AI videos, and this rates, AI rates here also shows the rates of AI that is currently in a particular channel. If it's for the videos, it shows the rate of AI that is being used in a particular video. So yeah, let me just search my channel again. So searching these, you can see this is my channel. There are other analysis tools here. You can see, you can check subscribers, you can check video counts. There are a lot of things here. You just need to like explore all of these. I can't really go over all of these in this particular video. So once you come down here, you can see videos. So if you click on this particular section here, I'll click on this, and then you can see more details about this particular about my particular channel. This is my channel actually. So you can see the subscribers. This is 1,120 subscribers. It shows the number of videos on the channel, it shows the average views, it shows likes average, it shows comments, and it shows the last video time. The last time I posted a video was December 8th. So as you can see, these are my videos. Even down to the videos, you can see there are other analysis here. It shows the day the video was posted. Yeah, so let me not do all this analysis with my own channel. I will just go back and then we can search other channels here. So if you go down to description, so let's just see how to make money, for example. So if I search this, for example, and then it's going to display videos that speak about how to make money, and you can go inside all of these channels and analyze what's working for them. their views, likes, the last video, how it performed, all those kind of things. And you can also use keywords here. Now, next up, we're heading to the growth section. Now, in this section, we can be able to track fast growing channels and videos, and this can help us spot the trends early and see what channels are taking off right now. So as you can see here, there are different channels here. You can also use the tools above to check based on the days, the creation time, and all these other things here. So we're going to just go down here. Right, if we go down, you can see these are channels that are that are growing very rapidly right now. So from this option here, I'm just going to find one. So let me see if I can filter. This is unlimited 7 days of growth. Let me just leave it like this, but you can still go ahead here and adjust some of these options, but I'm just going to go with this particular one. So once you come here, you can see all these features here, the views and average. But if you want to see it more clearly, you just click on this here, and then it shows you more details. If you want to continue coming to see the growth of this particular channel, you can just click on this particular button here, and then you just like add it to your favorite list, and then you would be able to check it anytime. So here, this is ToolGather 2.0. As you can see here, it has 438,000 subscribers. It has 61 videos, 25.2 million views, all this, the likes here, comments, and the last video that was posted. So as you can see, if you see here, this is the button for previous. If you go previous, you can still see the previous one and the next, this one too. So if you scroll down, there are other analysis here. You can check the views for the last 7 days, views for the last 28 days, for the last 3 months, 1 year, and total. You can see other analysis tools here. You can see it's even showing you the growth per time of these particular videos. So these can help you check what particular time this video got a couple number of views, and then you can also leverage on that to see to use for your own Faceless channel. So right here, if you scroll up here, if you click on view channel, this will take you directly to the channel on YouTube. But here you can also click on view more. So on this view more section here, you can be able to do other analysis here. You can be able to check channel analytics, which is what we just went over right now. So you can also check videos. So if you come here on videos, and then you just click on this particular one, this channel has mostly shorts, and then you can see all the videos. You can also come here and then you can filter maybe the latest video. For now is on the latest video. You can check on popularity, and then it can show you the video that performed best in that particular channel, and this was posted 6 days ago. It has 1.4 million views. You can see other analytic tools here that you can use to find some details about their videos and how you can leverage on that. So next up, you can see video analytics here. This also shows like the channel tags and usage. So these are some of the tags that they use on their channel, and these are video views, reviews, and all this here. So as you can see, this is another analytic tools here. You can see the monthly views for this tool. You see this graph here showing you the rates and all this. So this is a proper way to analyze certain channels before you go over to make a choice of what you want to do. So if you click on contact and more, you can see the email of this channel. You can see the views, subscribers, the country. This one is India, and then you can see more details about the channel. You can see how old the channel is. This channel is 2 months and 27 days. Yeah, so this is a very deep analysis about this particular channel. You can go and do this for other channels that you intend to study while trying to make a choice for your own Faceless channel. So next up, we're going to go back to the homepage here, and then we're going to proceed to videos. So right here on videos, just like we did for the channels, you can be able to search video based on their title, you can search based on their description, you can search based on channel. So once you search these, you use the same tool here, creation time. When you check on this creation time, you can select a long or a short video, either long form video or or YouTube shorts, and then you can analyze the views. So let me see if I would just search one. So for videos, let's say I want to do a long form, and then I want to search how to learn AI, for example, and then I'll just search these unlimited. Or let's say I want to do the last 7 days, or let's say last 28 days, and then yeah, so you can see these are the videos on how to learn AI that were created in the past 28 days. And yeah, these are long form videos, not short. So you can see here, so you can check here, it was created in the last 21 days, it got 30 views, and then you can analyze these videos. You can go ahead and extend to 7 days and unlimited, so you can get more results. So next up, we're going to move over to the trending section. This shows you basically trending videos on a particular title, description, channel, in a particular niche. So let's say you want to do the same thing. So let's say how to learn AI, and then we'll select a long form video, and then we'll say unlimited anyways, and then just say yeah for the video description, and there you can see these are the top trending videos on how to learn AI. You can see this one has 30k views. It was posted in the last 4 months. This one has it was posted in the last 6 months, and it has 3k views. So you can go deep into these videos and see the reason why they're the top trending on how to learn AI. So yeah, you can just check. This was creation time, outliers, and all these tools. You can use any of these tools to identify different things about a particular video, about a particular channel, and see which one is best for you to go into. So next up, we'll go over to the collection area. Now this particular collection area, it helps you to save and organize channels or videos you like, so you can come back to them and use them as a reference or idea anytime you want. So as you can see, this platform is the best for analyzing faceless YouTube channels or any YouTube channel that you intend to go for, or you want to find a particular channel to create. This is the best tool here. So you can also check out VidX plan. They have a monthly and yearly plan. So as you can see, monthly plan basic for $19, VIP $59, yearly plan. So this is a good investment considering the benefits that you will get from this particular platform. So I hope you found this video helpful. I believe that you will try vidx.ai. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting more videos on graphic design, AI, and tech. See you in the next one.